Well, good morning. My name is Tom. I come from the great state of Maine. Welcome. I want to say good morning to Glenn. Glenn is from Wyoming. He sent me a picture or two. I've been filling me in on how they hunt out there. Different fish they have, so it's been quite interesting getting his emails and comments. So good morning, Glenn. Have coffee. I'm back up at the cabin. I'm getting ready to go mobile. I'll show a picture of it. I've got to drag it's a small slide-in camper out of the brush pile. So there it is. Do a couple of repairs on it and get it ready for the road. Won't take much. All it is a roof with a bed in it. So pull it out, check the tires, make sure it roll all right. The other trailer didn't survive the stress test yesterday. I got it hauled out, everything went good. Then I gave it a shake with the bucket of the tractor, and the tongue folded up like a tin can. So now we're on to plan B. Same kind of trailer, same size, same everything. Just a whole lot of driving to go get it picked up. So, good axle, good bearings, good buddy hubs. What's left of the tongue is good. It was the frame of the trailer that actually gave. So, good jack, good tongue. So we'll salvage a bunch of parts off it anyways, especially the axle and the bearings. And the buddy hubs are really expensive, $30 a piece. So there's $50 in buddy hubs and bearings at least under that trailer. The axle's worth about $250 if you went and bought a new one at Tractor Supply. So lots of parts left on there. We just got to get them off. And right now we got to load the moose wagon, and that won't go too badly. Getting ready to my father got drawn for the moose permit. So we got drawn for the western side of Maine. So I don't have a building over there. And I'm too old to sleep in a tent on the ground. So we'll drag out that camper today, get that ready to rock and roll. And then, well, it's about 2 weeks, I guess, from now. So if I don't have a video that week, that means I didn't get anything uploaded for you guys, so don't be concerned. We'll see. I'm on the road quite a bit right now. I got Beaver Creek opened up. You saw that by the time you're seeing this video. Hey! What are you doing over there? Bush hogging. We got in there, me and my nephew, got that place opened up for deer season. So, truck in a little bit more water, and then that place is good to go for deer season. So then up here, I'm still working on the boat. Those of you that was following the boat project. Well, tomorrow we'll install that seat. Fish pole holders are in. Now it's time to put in the captain's seat. Swivel. But right now, there's a coffee up there at that cabin. Got my name written all over it. So it's time to call it a day. And tomorrow we'll put the seat in. We're not finished with it. We just got pulled away from it for a little while. So as I drag that camper out today, I'll take a couple videos for you. Coming out of the brush pile. Trees fell around it, behind it, a little bit on top of it, but nothing that caused it any damage. There's a shop down there in that brush pile. There's my driveway. You see the apple tree out there. That's the driveway runs to the right of that. Then it's a circle driveway, so it comes up to the left of that. But what a mess. So just got to get it out of the brush pile, that's all. Well, here I sat watching it rain one more time. Still waiting for the shower to get out of the way so that I can go over and get that moose wagon hauled out of the brush pile. Seems like every time I come up here to do any work, we gotta set out the rainstorm. But I don't find that to be too bad anyways. I just kind of been sitting here on the porch, enjoying my hot cup of coffee, watching it rain. Rained most of the night, so that really helps me sleep good. But this time of year, you know, we're into up here at the cabin. We're into October, so at night it starts to get chilly. So this rain making it chilly. So I will be having a nice toasty fire here at supper time. Supper time tonight, going to be more of those deer meat sausage subs. My goodness, don't I like eating those. So right now, coffee time, and we're going to be wrapping this up after this shower. Look at it come down. My goodness, look at it come down.